To transfer money using Apple Pay, you first need to set up the service on your device. Open the Wallet app and tap the plus sign to add a new card. Select the type of card you want to add, such as a credit or debit card, and follow the prompts to enter your card information. You may be asked to verify your card with your bank, which can be done through a text message or phone call. Once your card is added, you can use Apple Pay to transfer money to friends and family. Open the Messages app and start a new conversation with the person you want to send money to. Tap the Apple Pay button, which looks like a credit card, and enter the amount you want to send. You can also add a message to the payment, such as a note or a description of what the payment is for. When you are ready to send the payment, tap the Send button and review the payment details. Make sure the amount and recipient are correct, and then confirm the payment. The payment will be deducted from your linked card and transferred to the recipient's Apple Cash account. To receive money through Apple Pay, the recipient must also have Apple Pay set up on their device. When you send a payment, the recipient will receive a notification and can then transfer the funds to their bank account or use them to make purchases with Apple Pay. You can also use Apple Pay to request money from others, which can be done through the Messages app or through Siri. Best practices for using Apple Pay to transfer money include only sending payments to people you know and trust, and being cautious when receiving requests for money from others. You should also keep your device and account information secure, using a passcode and two-factor authentication to protect your account. In addition to transferring money to friends and family, Apple Pay can also be used to make purchases online and in-store. You can add your credit or debit card to the Wallet app and use it to make payments at participating merchants. Apple Pay uses tokenization to secure your transactions, which means that your actual card number is not shared with the merchant. Overall, Apple Pay is a convenient and secure way to transfer money and make purchases. By following these steps and best practices, you can use Apple Pay to send and receive money with ease.